Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix a Capital One card that cannot be added to Apple Play. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have your Apple ready or the version that actually supports this feature. So what you will have to do is you will open the wallet app on your iPhone. So make sure that you are currently using your iPhone to actually see this. And then you will see that plus icon, which is add a new card. So you will just have to click that. And then you will scan your Capital One card or enter the details manually. If it fails, you will just have to check that your iOS is updated and device region supports Pay, and then you will ensure that your Capital One card is active and not blocked. And finally, you will just have to contact Capital One support if the card is still not added or cannot be added. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.